Okay, the screen recorder timed out. What I've got is I put in 4 construction lines radiating from my origin. The first one is at 40 degrees, and then they're 5 degrees apart. It lines me up with my index lines. I've got this circle as a construction line at a radius of 1.72, and this is going to help me line my text up. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. And we're going to go text. Tahoma is fine. For the size, I want that to be 0.08. And I'm going to do the number 0. Say OK. And now then I want to take this and kind of move it. That didn't move. And for my base point, okay. And now I want to rotate that. And I've just got to visually kind of line that up. That looks good. Okay, now you'll do the same thing for the rest of them here. You could copy that one, and that would be fine. Now we got to go back in and change the the angle. And you can do those too. And then I'll just double click it and go in and edit that to be the 15 or the 10 or the 5. Okay, so now I'll have to kind of move it over a little bit. Ooh, that's resizing. I don't want to do that. Okay, and so I'm basically trying to get them as parallel as I can to this circle. Once you've edited all of them, then we'll go back and do the same emboss again. Choose each of our text boxes. Okay. All right, now here's a little trick for you. As far as the colors go, what I'm going to do is I want to change. I'm taking all of my color formattings off, so I'm back to a default steel. Okay. I'm going to suppress my embossings that I just made. I'm going to go suppress features. Okay. And I'm going to make this black. Just regular black. Okay. And now I want to unsuppress these. All right, so you can see that makes the bottom of the engravings black. Now I'll come along and select each of the surfaces. Well, I'll leave it there. And now I'll go ahead and make these the chrome. I'll have to come in and pick the center of my zeros. Okay, and so now you have to do the rest of it, and in this hole also. So we're basically having to pick all of our surfaces. And make them a chrome. And now I've got my finished stuff. Product. My embossing has a black finish at the bottom and on the sides of it, so it makes it easy to see. All right. That's how you do the index marks and the numbers. You can try copying your sketches to the opposite side. A mirror feature will not work. You can try copying the sketch, but by the time you try to line everything back up and constrain it, it may be quicker just to go ahead and do the sketches over again on each of those. But that's how you do those.